Good morning, everybody. Afternoon, evening, whatever time it is for you. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thomas. I am the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. And today is a behind the scenes kind of day. I am headed to drop off a rental. It is just a throne chair rental. Normally, if it's more than the two, well, I can get two in here, but I got a new vehicle and I'm trying to be mindful on how I treat my vehicle. Normally, if it's this plus other things, I say I would rent a U-Haul or a U-Haul van and just put it in same kind of way, lay it down, because it's still enough room and it's just more sensible. You don't have to have them standing up when you're transporting them. So I'm dropping off a throne chair. It is for a rental. I think it's for a pastor's anniversary service. So we're dropping off this, and then in the next clip of this video, I'm going to show y'all what my storage is looking like, because last two events, I used to be a stickler for when I finished an event, I would go home, wash the linen, and I would bring everything back to my unit and put it up. I have really gotten away from that, and I think that's only because I have more space now and because I have a little bit more time and flexibility. So I got balloons. I used to pop the balloons at the venue, but I stopped doing that because when you're breaking down and then you turn around and pop balloons, my baby with me, he want to say something. Say hey. I used to pop the balloons at the venue, but you would have to turn around and clean that mess up. So I just bring with me back on the U-Haul, pop them in my unit, that way I can take my time and do what I need to do. So you live and you learn. It's not bad. So if it ain't broke, I ain't fixing it. So I just wanted to do this quick intro, show y'all what I was doing, and show y'all a couple of the things that I do outside of just the event world, which is to make sure my storage is straight and to make sure I do my rentals and all my other little things. So if you're not a subscriber and you like this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. And as always, thank y'all for stopping by my channel. Say bye-bye. Clap your hands, say bye-bye. Trying to say it. All right, y'all. Y'all ready? I got to show y'all the damage. I be putting on too much, don't I? But this is what we got going on. From the last couple of events, I have not been putting up stuff. Y'all, I didn't like these bags at first, but I'm actually starting to like them because I can put when I pick up from the event, I put my dirty linen in it, take it home, wash it, and I bring it back here. I normally would fold my linen, but I didn't do it this time because that velvet black, anything velvet, gets everywhere in my laundry room, and I didn't have it in me to feel like fooling with it, so I just left well enough alone. Piled it up here, so I got to fold that up. And then I got a bunch of balloons and stuff that I need to pop. These balloons are a week old. Actually, these are a week old, and these are a little bit over a week old. And what's so funny about those balloons in the back is I put them back in the U-Haul when I left the venue, and it was really cold outside, and if I was intentional and was trying not to let my balloons get ruined because of the weather, them jokers would have been messed up. But they look perfectly fine. The only thing it would take is a little bit of balloon shine to bring them back to life. So I don't have a lot to do. I know it looks like a lot, but I don't have a lot to do. But I wanted to share with you guys just the general behind the scenes stuff. And I want to show y'all my other unit too. Hold on. So this is my other unit right here. I'm hoping that a bigger one that's next to mine becomes available. But this is the way I have my chairs in here. And the only thing I have to do normally is grab the chair dolly, go in, grab a stack of chairs, go out, go in, grab a stack. This is why I have them set up the way I have them. And then my gold chairs, the Obax is what I keep right here. The ladder right here normally does not be in this unit, but we were putting up stuff and we left it alone. This is the chair from the rental. This is the next day. And this is her in all of her glory. So I'm going to go ahead and get y'all set up, and I'm going to go ahead and do what I need to do so I can go on back to the house. All right, y'all, I'm done. It took way longer than what I thought it would, and that's only because I didn't fold that linen from those 2 events, so I had to do all of that. So this is everything, same as it's always been. Don't look at the labels, don't look at nothing, but I love this little space right here that I be having because I be able to put my events that's up and coming right here. I don't have them right here this time only because I had already planned 3 of my events at one time. So everything for the next event is already right here, ready to go. So that spot would normally be empty, but that's just everything that's prepped and ready. I'm looking for, wait a minute, I just realized that's why this is looking like this. This moon is warping. Because I was trying to figure out why that moon is doing it. I don't know if there's anything I can do about it. Y'all see it? I wonder why. I hope that music don't get me copywritten, but because I was looking at this part right here and I said, why is this right here? I don't know. I ain't gonna lose no sleep over it. If it's done for the moon, it's done for the moon. I'm just gonna throw it away because I don't keep mess. I found another one if that's the case. Anyway, it's probably gonna get thrown away. Not today, but it's probably gonna get it thrown away. I can't wait for my wife to see it. Anyway, I'm on a hunt for the shelves that I have on this side to go over here. I got them from Sam's, and I looked at when I had originally got them, I paid $69 a piece for those shelves. I only need four. Four of those shelves fills up the side for me, and it'll do me good, and I'll still have a little space right here to put this stuff, and then I'll figure out, like, this all go on shelves. I might go ahead and just put all of that on shelves because those are just chargers, and then that right there I have his little nook and cranny. So I might get three. We'll see. We'll see. But that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you. That's the end of this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to pop these balloons, and then I'm heading on out. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all in next week's video.